Hi, it's Sasha here from Marent Crafts, and in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at Prym leather bag handles. Specifically, the leather bag handles that you attach yourself by hand. Now, the great thing about these handles is they've got a plastic tube core, which means that they keep their rigidity, they keep their curve. As you can see from the bag here, they stand up beautifully. You're not going to have no floppy bag handles here. They are a leather product, so you're not going to get any creasing or peeling of this product either. And obviously it's made by Prym, so the quality is there. Now here at Marent, we've got various different colours in the Prym handles. There is a huge range available, but today we are just going to be looking at the black. Now you will see at the base of the handles, there are pre-punched holes. These are there for making your life easier to apply your bag handles to your bag project. This means you can apply them by hand. Some people like to use their sewing machine, but I prefer to put them on by hand. When I'm placing my handles on my bag, I like to use some double-sided sticky tape or even just tack them in place. It just means that they are there where I want them to be and they're not going to move around. I also use a thicker thread. Now this is the Marent 30 thread. So because it's a 30 weight, it's a thicker thread. You can see from one of the other videos that we have done on the Marent thread for more details. You can, if you wish, to double this up for extra strength, or you can just go ahead and sew as it is. Once your bag handles are in place on your bag, you are then going to hand stitch in place just by using the pre-punched holes and by going up and down. This makes for a stronger hold to your bag project. I tend to go over this twice, so once I have done one round, I tend to go back over it again. It really does help to ensure that your bag handles are securely fastened. Now obviously with this one I'm using cream thread. This is just so you can see. You may like the contrast of a different colour thread. If not, I would use just a normal black thread, and in that way it's in keeping with the colour of your handle. So I want to thank you for joining me today on this tutorial on Prym leather bag handles.